Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Panalo ang Pampanga kontra sa Imos 79-74. Best player of the game si Raymond Binoya sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 3 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Humakot si Concepcion ng 12 points, 1 rebound, 5 assists at 1 steal. Egelos 10 points, 9 rebounds, 2 blocks. Palma 11 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals. Lalata 12 points, 12 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 3 blocks. Armenian 0 point. Nag-ambag naman si Clemente ng 12 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists. Gomaro 2 points. Faundo 4 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists. Alcoriza 2 points, 3 rebounds, 1 block. De La Cruz 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 2 steals. De Leon 3 rebounds, 1 assist. Para naman sa natalong Imos, Caspe 19.6 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals. De La Cruz 15.6 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal. Acono 2 points, 4 rebounds. Doligon 8 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal. Ariar 16.7 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si Bangeles ng 3 points. Kaunan 5 rebounds. Ong 2 rebounds. Belencion 1 rebound, 1 assist. Basibas 11.6 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 1 block. Soriano 0 point. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Cebu ang Caloocan 77-76. Best player of the game si Lemuel Tampos sa likod ng kanyang 16 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Nagtala naman si McCarthy ng 14 points, 8 rebounds, 2 assists, 4 steals at 1 block. Imperial 3 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. Holmves 2 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 block. Martel 7 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists. Meneses 12 points, 15 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 4 blocks. Nag-ambag naman si Meka ng 10 points. Manligues 1.5 rebounds, 10 assists at 4 steals. Santos 2 rebounds. Adlawan 1 rebound. Mendoza 2 rebounds. Hamon 2 points. Lipalam 10 points, 4 rebounds at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Caloocan, Bitoon 3 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists. Cabanag 10 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 steal. Espenas 3 points, 6 rebounds. Kasen 14 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Kalahat 7 points, 4 rebounds at 1 block. Nag-ambag naman si Palencia ng 5 points, 5 assists at 2 steals. Manday 6.7 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals. Somoda 2 points, 2 rebounds. Tayongtong 9 points, 3 rebounds, 2 assists at 4 steals. Manlangit 10 points, 1 rebound. Flores 7 points, 1 rebound at 1 steal. Ingles 2 rebounds at 1 assist. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Wagi naman ang Pasay kontra sa Ilagan Isabela 56-52. Best player of the game si Jopit Soriano sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 6 rebounds. Nagtala si Dan Sara ng 4 points, 2 rebounds, 4 assists. Victoria 12 points, 6 rebounds, 6 assists at 3 steals. Reverente 4 rebounds. Coronel 2 points, 6 rebounds, 2 steals at 3 blocks. Soriano 14 points, 6 rebounds. Nag-ambag naman si Hilario ng 3 points at 1 rebound. Tabe 2 points, 2 rebounds. Chavez 7 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist. Bonifacio 12 points, 7 rebounds. Lasco 1 steal. Reyes 1 rebound, 2 assists. Para naman sa natalong Ilagan, Art de la Cruz 12 points, 15 rebounds, 3 assists. Galliano 9 points, 11 rebounds, 1 steal. Manalang 1.2 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Gomez 1 assist. Santos 2 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists. Nag-ambag naman si Mena ng 9 points, 1 rebound, 2 assists. Oligario 9 points, 1 rebound. Marcos 8 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Dai 6 rebounds, 1 steal at 1 block. Cueteves 2 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. De La Torre 0 point. Reyes 0 point. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang game schedule ngayong March 14, 2025 na gaganapin sa Alonte Sports Arena. Maglalaban ang Bulacan at Pangasinan alas 4 ng hapon. Maghaharap naman ang Marikina at Abra alas 6 ng gabi. Magtutuos naman ang Binyan at Mindoro alas 8 ng gabi. Heto ang team standings ng North Division as of March 13, 2025. Pampanga 1 win 0 loss. Abra 1 win 0 loss. Pangasinan 1 win 0 loss. Nueva Ecija 1 win 0 loss. Quezon City 1 win 0 loss. Manila 1 win 0 loss. Ilagan Isabela 1 win 1 loss. Pasay 1 win 1 loss. Bataan 0 win 1 loss. Bulacan 0 win 1 loss. Marikina 0 win 1 loss. Valenzuela 0 win 1 loss. Caloocan 0 win 1 loss. Heto naman ang team standings ng South Division as of March 13, 2025. Cebu 1 win 0 loss. Rizal 1 win 0 loss. Quezon Huskers 1 win 0 loss. Zamboanga 1 win 0 loss. Jinsan Warriors 1 win 0 loss. Imos 1 win 1 loss. Binyan 0 win 1 loss. Mindoro 0 win 1 loss. Basilan 0 win 1 loss. Batangas 0 win 1 loss. Sarangani 0 win 2 losses. Kasama din ang Bacolod, Davao Occidental, Muntinlupa at Parañaque. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.